Hey guys, thank you for coming back. Today we are doing a collaboration with SimplyMindy. She will give you some great DIY ideas for your home, so go check her out. We are making decorative pillows out of unexpected items. I am using a shower curtain right here, and then towards the end I am making another set for my patio set that I'm making. So you guys stay tuned for that video as well. And I'm going to make the pillows for my patio out of tablecloths. So the only reason I chose the shower curtain and tablecloth is because they are waterproof. Don't you hate not being able to go on your patio the next day because it's still soaking wet from the rain? If you are new here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell so that you will be notified every time I upload a new video. This set of pillows I am making with 1-inch cushion because my patio set will already have a lot of cushion on there, and the pillows are just for show. I'm actually going to put some weights on them so that they won't fly away because they're so thin. And here's the finishing results. You guys don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for the next video.